My esteemed viewers, welcome to V Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to set up and arrange your camera. This camera is Nikon model. The model is D60. You can see it boldly. And this is the camera and the lens. So in photography, we refer this as lens. You see, we refer this as lens. And in photography, we refer this as body. We refer this as body. So this is the body of the Nikon camera model D60. You can see it. This place, as you can see, is the on and off. This place is the model selections, which one you want to snap with. This place is referred as the screen. This is the navigator keys. This place, you see, as it shows in the image, is delete. The image is really representing what it means. So this place is the bottom part. This place, this first one here, you can see it is a play sign. If you have taken a picture, you want to see it, so click here. So this place is the menu if you want to go into the camera settings and many more. So this place is a zoom in, zoom out, and you can use this place for settings too, depending on the nature of the settings you're looking for. So this very place is the flash, and I'm going to show you how you can lift up the flash. And this place is the function key. So I will be taking you through, and this place you can use it to increase or decrease your aperture. So we'll be, and this place, if you want to use a tripod stand for the camera, use this place. Use this place to scroll in the tripod stand. So deep inside here, you can see is the camera. So I will be showing you quickly how we run this. So we'll be starting this today by how to fix a lens. So if you want to fix the lens of your camera, you see there is a little hole here. There is a little sign of hole here. So, and in this place, there is also a pin here. You can see here, there's also a pin here, and the hole here is here. So it has to come the same with the pin, the hole on the lens, and the pin on the camera's body. So let's see. So before you insert your lens, so there's a pin here. You need to hold it down. You need to hold it down. You see? Okay, I'm holding it down now. Put in the lens. Screw it carefully. Yeah. Put the lens. Screw it carefully. You see? If you hear something of this nature, that is, it's already okay. Then you leave the pin. If you leave the pin, then you push it a little. You hear a sound? That is, it has entered. So this place, as I said earlier, is the power button. Put it on. See, the camera is turning on. You see it? The camera is turning on, and if you put it off, you see camera is going off. So we're putting it on now. So taking on the flash, you see this is the button you can use in taking on the flash. So you click the button, you see the camera is out. You can see the flash of the camera where it comes with the model. So you can see it. As I said earlier, this place is the shooter. We call this the shooter release. You can see it's coming out, it's bringing out light, and it's blinking. Let me take a shot and you see. You see, this is what is my front. Okay, let me take something again. Let me take something again, and you see. Yeah, this is what is before me. You see. Let me take something away, and you see. You see this? This is what is before me. See, so as we were saying, if you want to play with your previous shots, click here and use this navigator key to move, and you see what you have taken before. You see what you have taken before. So, and if you want to go into the camera settings, you use the second one. You see, it shows you the menu, and use the navigator key to move to whichever one you want to check or edit, right? And if you want to use this, that is to zoom, you need a picture, then zoom out. So if you want to bring it out boldly, use this one. So, and if you want to delete something, you see this button as we said earlier, you can just click. You see what you're saying? You're saying yes, click again. You see that one is gone. It's gone. You can never get it again. So, and as you can see this, I said earlier that you can use it to increase or decrease your aperture. And this very one you're seeing here, you can use it to lock an image. And this one you can use it to select which very mode you want to take your picture. Which very mode you want to take your picture. That's it. You want to take auto. So you keep turning this until you get the one that is suitable for you. So in this place, this is the memory card space. If you want to open this place, you hold it down, pull it out, and leave it. You see? You can see the memory card. If you want to remove the memory card, you can just press it down and leave it. You see? It's out on its own. You can just take it out. See it? And if you want to reinsert it, take it back, push it on, and close it. You see? And this place is the USB space. The USB space, and if you have a microphone that you need to insert, this is for the microphone, this is for the USB space. And this place is where the battery is. If you want to insert the battery or you want to remove the battery, you need to open here. You see this arrow? You see this arrow? Pull in a little, open it, take the battery out. You see? And then return the battery when you're through, close here, and pull it in again. You see? So it's very simple. Thank you very much for watching. In my next class, I will be showing you the deep settings of this camera, Nikon model D60. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being with me. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in